स्टडी करते हैं सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को. सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट followed by would rather that. अब तक हम would rather study कर रहे थे. Now here you have two subjects to compare or to study for that matter. So would rather that followed by second subject which will be followed by again verb in the simple form. This is present subjunctives. So the example will look like, first example, I would rather that you call me tomorrow. Simple. I prefer you ask me, you call me tomorrow rather me I do it. Second, we would rather that he take this train. So that's fine. You're not comfortable taking the train. You would like someone else to take the one. So that's fine. So just you have two subjects. SMA would rather will not be just stay would rather. It will be would rather that. Again followed by a simple form of verb. जब आपके पास present tense हो और आपके पास दो subjects हों. इसी तरीके से अभी तक अगर आपने प्रेजेंट टेंस में कॉन्ट्ररी टू फैक्ट बात करनी है, अगेन इसमें आपके पास दो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं लेकिन यू आर सेइंग समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू. अभी तक जो बात हो रही थी दैट वाज स्ट्रेट स्टेटमेंट, प्रेफरेंस थी, कंपैरिजन था, दैट्स इट. लेकिन अगर आपने ऐसी स्टेटमेंट प्रिपेयर करनी है जो कि कॉन्ट्ररी टू रियल हो, which is also known as contrary to fact. So how to construct those structure sentence? So this will be first subject followed by would rather that. That will be followed by second subject and verb in the simple past tense. जब आप simple past tense को mention कर रहे हैं, because rest of the structure is same.